Hello, this is Dan Hilsman with eXp Realty, and in today's video I'll be explaining eXp Realty revenue share and how agents can actually retire in real estate. I'll also be explaining how revenue share works, the eXp model, and revenue share breakdown. Be sure to stay to the end of this video for a free valuable bonus. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. eXp revenue share is similar to Keller Williams' profit share model, except eXp pays on a revenue share model. We pay 7 different levels of income, and so here's how the breakdown works. When you bring someone personally to the company, they will be on your first level. Any of those agents, they can bring agents to the company as well. And then that continues all the way down for 7 levels. Now the great news is you get paid a little bit of money on each of the 7 levels. So the agents that you bring to the company, you'll receive a little bit of income when they have closings, and the agents that they bring to the company, and so on and so forth, you'll earn revenue from all those agents to the company, from 7 levels below the agent that you initially brought onto the company. Now you can bring on as many agents as you like to the first level, and then they can bring on as many agents as they like to their first level, which would be your second level, and so on and so forth. Now here's how the income on the different levels work. On level 1, you'll receive up to $2,800 for that agent for their income. The good news is you'll receive that income if they have one closing or many closings until they capped. After that agent caps for their calendar year, you won't receive any more income until their following calendar year. Now on level 2, you'll receive up to $3,200 per each agent that's on your level 2 for their income until they cap. Level 3 is $2,000, level 4 is $1,200, level 5 is $800. Now here's where it gets exciting. On level 6, it's $2,000, and on level 7, $4,000. So you'll earn income of $2,800, $3,200, $2,000, $1,200, $800, then $2,000 and $4,000 on your 7th level. So now for the retirement part of the model. Here's how I'm helping agents to have financial time freedom and to build retirement income for their future, where they can actually retire from real estate and have income to large monthly income long after their first closing. So while we're helping our agents to increase their production, while they're out in production, these agents are also having conversations with a co-op agent to see if they may or may not be interested in hearing about a real estate opportunity. Within our group, we have a lot of coaching, training, and continuous mentoring that goes on to help agents with production, but then we also create that third pillar of income, which helps our agents to have retirement income. So here's the great news. Here's how this worked. After 55 years old, you let eXp know that you want to retire, and what they'll do is whatever level of income that you've received over the last 12 months, they'll simply back you down to the next lowest level. So a great example is if you have 7 levels of income, they'll back you down to the 6th level, then you still receive income on levels 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Even as those levels continue to grow, you'll continue to receive monthly income from eXp Realty. Now that's very exciting because a lot of those lower levels, you may or may not know a lot of the people in the company, and as they continue to grow their business, you will continue to have your business to grow without you being an active agent. You're retired, but the income still continues. You see, eXp Realty wants to continue to reward you for your efforts while you're in retirement. And now for another exciting part of eXp Realty, the stock. This will also help our agents to have retirement income. And here's a great example of that. As you're out selling property, you receive a little bit of stock for the first closing you have each calendar year. Also, when you cap, you receive a little bit of free stock for that as well. When you bring agents to the company, you receive a little bit of stock for their first closing, and that continues on and on. Me personally, I also opted into the part of eXp Realty stock where I take 5% of my commission dollars and I have stock purchased for me at a 10% discount. This is very exciting. As that stock continues to grow, this too will help my retirement. Another great part of the stock for eXp Realty is our Icon Agent Program. Agents that do 20 deals past their cap each calendar year receive their entire cap back, which is $16,000 back in stock awards. This can be another great way of accumulating a lot of stock throughout your real estate career and help you into your retirement. And now for the valuable bonus. Please click the boxes below to get a 1-page free breakdown of the 7 levels of income revenue share at eXp Realty, along with my #1 tip on how to grow revenue share and to retire from real estate at eXp Realty. Once again, I'm Dan Hilsman with eXp Realty, and if you'd like to contact me, click the boxes below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. If you like this video and found value, please click the boxes above. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video. And remember, Dan's Real Estate Solutions, real solutions for real estate agents, buyers, and sellers. And oh yeah, so today I'm at a park near my home. One of my favorite spots. That's a nice water fountain. This is a real background. A nice water fountain in the lake. And at this park we have softball, baseball, soccer, lacrosse, tennis, basketball, great walking trails. So I encourage you to find a spot near your home that you love with some nice, beautiful nature and get out and try to enjoy your day.